I will share the recipe for milk fries, a forgotten dessert. 150 milliliters, add milk to a pot. 40 grams of sugar. And add 50 grams of cornstarch into the milk. It is a very popular recipe in Spain, but unknown to many people. Finally, I add powdered coconut. I mix all the ingredients well and put it on the stove. Stirring constantly, thicken over medium heat. When it reaches this consistency, you can turn off the stove. I will use a 30 centimeters long container. Pour a few drops of oil. Distribute it all over. Pour all the milk mixture into the greased bowl. Smooth it over. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Its consistency will be solid when it rests in the refrigerator. Add breadcrumbs to a bowl and set aside. It will make the outside crispy. Add 50 grams of flour to a separate bowl. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water over it. Thanks to this mixture, it will have a nice texture. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. There should be no flour lumps in it. The consistency should be like this. I'm sure everyone who makes this recipe will like it. Separate the edges with a fruit knife. Place on a cutting board. You can cut it in any shape you want. I cut it into strips. Its structure should be like jelly. First, add it to the mixture I made with flour and water. I completely coat the outside with breadcrumbs. Heat a suitable pan by adding oil. You can check whether the oil is heated with this method. Drop the milk slices into the heated oil. Fry until crispy on the outside. After frying, you can put it on a napkin to get rid of excess oil. Fry whole milk slices. Let me show you the texture. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. It's a very delicious recipe. Don't forget to check out my other recipes. Goodbye.